So, assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen. So, today it's my second time here, and first I want to express my gratitude to all of my honorable teachers and judges for giving me the opportunity to come in front of everyone. It's a very pressure for me, and I'm love it. So today my topic is grammar, and I'll try my best to say something good regarding my topic. So everyone know about grammar, but not everyone think about what is the grammar. Grammar is the set of rules, how to make a sentence, how to make a structure. Without structure, without rules, we can't make sentence. We can't speak properly. Whenever we go for speak, like English skill, any kind of, like Bangla, yeah, Spanish, Korean, we have to first know the rules of this language. Now we are trying to speak English, and we have to know the rules of grammar, rules of English. It's a very important. Without grammar rules, we can't properly speak. We can't properly writing. Even in speaking, grammar is not more important, but in writing, it's a very important, because whenever we go for write, we go for exam like IELTS, like our primary exam, our college exam, we have to write it correctly with grammars. If we mistake with grammars, we'll get 0. That's why I think it's a very important, and it also helps us to communicate clearly. If we don't know the grammars, then if we go for anyone for talk each other in English, we will say anything, but other person can't catch our language without structure, without exact meaning. They can't catch our language. That's why it's also important for speaking. It's also important our daily life for like IELTS. When we go for IELTS, we go for give exam IELTS. We have to first in writing, in reading, and speaking. We first know the grammars, and we have to improve our grammatical. Like it has many ways to improve our grammatical. Like we have to know the structure of grammars. There's many type of grammars. Like we have to know tense, part of speech, and every kind of thing. And there is also a way to improve our grammatical. It's vocabs. Without vocabs, we can't express our inner thought, and we can't express any sentence. So we have to try every possibility to improve our grammar for speaking, for writing, for communicating, for take exam. Now, whenever I think it's in my side. In future, my goal is go abroad. When I go abroad, and I have to speak with other person in English, and if I go there without grammar, without any English skill, then I can't speak with them. If I speak, then they can't catch my word, and it's a very embarrassing for me. That's why in myself, it's a very important to improve grammatical. And it also helps us to improve our English skill. And grammar also helps us to express our foundation. It also helps us to strong our foundation. With grammars, we can express express myself, express ourselves. That's why I think it's a very important, and we should take proper step for improving English grammar. Thanks for the timing. It's a great moment for all of you. See you again. Until then, Allah Hafiz.